Healthcare workers are bringing their concerns to the state capitol. They rallied in the streets saying they need better wages, better working conditions, and more help. Chief political reporter Susan Raff is live at the state capitol tonight in Hartford. And Susan, just how bad is this situation?
Erin, there are staffing shortages at hospitals across the state, and we spoke to a few nurses here today who told us that they are exhausted. They say they've been working way too many long hours, and today 21 people were willing to be arrested to be heard.
You have 1 minute to comply.
Despite police warnings to get out of the street, some unionized healthcare workers were willing to be arrested. These workers say it's not enough just to be appreciated.
We have nurses who are working 12-hour shifts and then being told in the 10th or 11th hour, we're going to need you to stay for another 4 hours.
John Brady, a registered nurse, says there was a staffing shortage before the pandemic, but now it's worse.
Because there's more need because there's more patients. And also, there have been people who have retired.
Healthcare workers want better wages.
We need to not just remember that these first responders, these essential workers, were our heroes. We have to reward them.
Senate Democrats are proposing a few bills to improve working conditions and pay for essential workers. They support better wages for those who work in healthcare. Lawmakers on both sides seem to agree.
We have a disjointed, disconnected system of care.
Senate Republicans have several proposals which would increase pay for those who work in long-term facilities and home health care. Bill Garrity is a registered nurse. He says at the Yukon Health Center, there are 79 nursing vacancies.
Nursing shortages are something that everybody should be worried about right now because everybody eventually is going to end up in a hospital or have a family member in a hospital.
Healthcare workers tell us that there's something else that they're concerned about. They say because of the staffing shortages, hospitals bring in temporary or traveling workers, and they say that those workers make a lot more than they do. And here's another issue. This is a very short legislative session. It ends on May 4th. And so they're concerned that all of these proposals from both sides of the aisle may not get voted on in time. We are live tonight at the state capitol in Hartford. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Susan, thank you. Right now at 5:30.